Hello and welcome to Blue Sky Graphics. We are honoured to have you with us. Here at Blue Sky Graphics, we are a leading online graphic design school led by industry and expert leading tutors delivering one-to-one online classes. We've been teaching for just over 10 years, enhancing creative curiosities and preparing future graphic designers for the real world. Driven by passion and performance, we are purely dedicated to the art of graphic design. Our website and enrolment registration information can be found at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Hello and welcome to Blue Sky Graphics, the online graphic design school. Today we're going to be looking at low poly designs, merging lines and creating line manipulations, drawing techniques, working on colour, creating slides, mixing colours and embedding. Now, the program that we're currently using is Adobe Illustrator. For those that don't know, Adobe Illustrator is a vector-based creative program designed for those involved with graphic design. Instead of using bitmap images to store data, this program uses algorithms to draw shapes, and that is why vector graphics created within Illustrator can be scaled to any size without losing its quality or overall resolution. This is very unique to Adobe Illustrator because it means that everything from business logos to detailed illustrations to animated concepts can all be made to scale and with perfect resolution. Now, for those that are unfamiliar with the gradient tool lets us draw gradients across layers or selections or across layer masks to create smooth transitions from one layer to another. We can fill text and shapes with gradients. We can colorize a photo using gradient map image, adjustment, or add color effect with a gradient overlay layer style, and more. So gradients are invaluable. They're invaluable to InDesign, Photoshop, and they're extremely important for graphic designers. In this video, you can see how the lines are being manipulated through creating and merging lines. We're using low poly designs and special drawing techniques. We're also working on color, and we're creating slides and embedding these colors into the graphics. We hope you liked this video, and if you do have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with us at Blue Sky Graphics. Thank you and goodbye.